Welcome back. We are here once again with another mixer, with another client. We are happy for this. This is a Black November promotion, and we are glad that you are watching. This is Mr. Said of Salsabil Height, our client, who won a mixer. And Mr. Said, welcome. So thank you so much for being our client.
Thanks,
and chukua mixer yako.
Thank you so much for the mixer.
Tell us how this mixer will help and how has your relationship been with the C-Max?
This mixer will help a lot. Number one, after doing the wallings, it will help us mix the mortar to do the plasters, even though we have others, but this will make our work faster so that we can achieve our goals.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you so much. And how has the relationship been with C-Max?
C-Max has been good with us. We've been working with you since 2015.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
For previous project, apart from Salsabil, we have good relationship. So far, so good.
Oh, we appreciate that a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Jonathan, we've had the pleasure at least to interact a lot kwa hii project. And uzuri hii project, we've supplied both the walls and the slabs. So unaweza niambia changes ama difference yenye umeona ya walls, difference yenye umeona ya slabs, what are the advantages?
Thank you for giving this opportunity to do this interview with you. I really appreciate C-Max panels and the system of construction because it is fast, reliable and easy to install. First, I've worked with the C-Max even in other projects before, and I think it's the way to go. It's the next future in the building. So among many advantages of these panels, they are fast to install and they are easy to install. And I think it's a good thing to work with you.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, you mentioned that you worked with EPS before hapa hivi. Where was it?
I was doing a project in South Sudan.
South Sudan, mmesikia hiyo how far tumefika? Yeah, tuko na projects hadi South Sudan. This is how much the product is being trusted.
Yes.
Yeah, we appreciate so much. We appreciate working with you.
Welcome back. Here I'm with Mr. Jonathan, the foreman at Salsabil Heights. Here is where they are laying slabs right now, and I can like him to introduce himself as we go on.
Yes, my name's Jonathan Mulwa. I'm the clerk of works for Salsabil project. In this project, we are doing a 13-story building, which mainly we are doing the slabs and the wallings with the C-Max panels, the EPS panels, that is. And one advantage of using these panels is that they are lightweight, so that the structure does not need a lot of reinforcement as it goes up, because already the panels have reduced most of the structural weight. Another advantage is that they are easy to erect and very fast to lay, so that the work is done very fast. We usually do 2 slabs per month because it is easy to lay these EPS panels and to do the slabs. Yes.
Okay, thank you for your feedback. So, can you tell us what made you choose C-Max EPS panels from the conventional way using of the stones for your project?
As I've said earlier, one advantage is that it's lightweight. So being lightweight, it makes the structure not heavy, so that the building may not collapse easily, but it also reduces the reinforcement for the building, so that now it cuts the cost and it is easy to install, making it constructing the slabs and the structural work easier and faster. And it is also easy to erect in the walls, making construction of the walls faster and lighter than using the building stones the normal way.
Okay, thank you. When using the C-Max slabs panel, maybe you have faced some challenges on site. Which are the challenges you have faced, and how has C-Max helped you improve those challenges when you are doing the construction?
One challenge that we had faced earlier was about the sizes of the panels which are coming, and we negotiated with the C-Max and we had a discussion and a way forward of customizing the panels so that they come as to fit as to our own design, so that there is no wastage on site and there is no extra work of cutting the panels on site.
Thank you. On terms of labor, time, how has C-Max helped you reduce on labor and time on doing the construction, on the speed, still on speed?
Installation of the panels is very fast and efficient, and we have been able to utilize that to an advantage. We have been able to do 2 slabs even per month because it is easy to install, and even in the erection of the walls, we have been able to do a whole floor slab per week to erect all the partition walls, which is to our advantage.
Thank you. So what would you tell a customer who intends to use C-Max slab panels on his site, on his project that may be upcoming or ongoing?
I want to assure the customers or any prospective clients that C-Max is a very efficient and they are very reliable. If you visit their company, they'll give them the order. They'll deliver very fast, and it will be very efficient to work with them.
Okay, thank you. We appreciate and for your feedback, and I know we'll continue working together.
Thank you.
Thank you.